Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SOP update. And SOP now is in true danger. We actually went on to break the right shoulder, and that's absolutely ridiculous and really bad for me to say that you're going to go higher. So let's come back to the 4-hour time frame. Now this is crap, man. Technical targets to the upside of an inverse head and shoulder was never met. A lot of coins, Matic for example, did met the technical target. Solana almost met the technical target. SOP never met the technical target. Bitcoin never met the technical target. Ethereum never met the technical target. So it was kind of a mixed movement that was created in the market for all of these movements. And instead now you have a left shoulder, potential head here, and a potential right shoulder right there, which is not very clear. But one thing I'm just going to say is, you did came down and you're really trying to take probably the right shoulder right here, which Bitcoin really did. Right now you do have a shooting star, and from that shooting star you're looking for SOP to basically keep dropping all the way to the downside. So no expectations right now of SOP to move higher. So what I'm going to do is redraw the resistance again, and that's the resistance you're finding. Okay, so you are below that resistance, you try to cross it but ended up with a wick to the upside. Fish some people probably, and now you might be looking to come down. Can you actually hold this level of resistance? Then you could be looking to go a little bit higher, maybe create the right shoulder and then go to the downside as well. The new month has started and I want to see the new month as well. So let's go to the monthly time frame here. And yep, the monthly isn't so good. Okay, it's not really so good. You have a continuation pattern, and this month as well you might be looking to drop further down, and that's the 3 black crows right over there. And if you're putting in the 3 black crows, then ladies and gentlemen, that's a continuation to go even lower. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.